my husband had a bunch of old work shirts, and back like maybe 3 years ago, I made a bunch of these squares in another video, and I have a literal Amazon box filled with them. But these are definitely not the same as the other squares that I made, because I made the other squares, well, they're just too inconsistent. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew the fabric that I have prepped, or all the square fabric that's pretty. I'm gonna sew those together, get to it, because it's gonna be a long project.
Got back in the early morning hours because he got just saw our joint Tinder, hole 1, hole 2, we're done for an instructor class. You don't need to be walking around Mexico barefoot. And what you just like unearthed in my brain is while you were playing Chutes and Ladders trying to find a bathroom, and I was sitting there stargazing, I was like, so very small window, very small window, you get banned. Is Tinder still a thing? Do people still Tinder? Yeah. You know, said she ruined football, and I said, did she really? Because you still watch every game, and if you still have ESPN, your dog's on my guitar.
Smart business starts here.
Go get in a funny, silly mood to go to the circus. And we don't know how we're going to get these off.
Me, vibrate, and sit up beautifully.
Did this person get paid? Is this a bear?
It rests perfectly on my office chair without sliding around. Feels stable even when I waggle in my seat.
Waggle? I think waggle. Wiggle probably doesn't help that I'm putting on the voice as well.
Auto shut off and turns off after a calming 15-minute ideal. Since
some of this stuff I sewed inside out, but it's fine.
Oh my god! Congratulations! I'm like, that shit is the canceled house. That's the canceled. A flash of this. Like, y'all are gonna want to be next door neighbors so bad. Like, this life that you spend ruminating is wasted.
This is everything we got. I think they turned out pretty good. Individually, they probably are a little, I don't know how to explain it, but I think when they're put all together, it would look really good. And these might just be temporary. I might actually end up putting these in our motorhome, but for now, curtain like this, and see if I can get somewhat similar squares, but with these paired up, I think if I put in the future like lace with the curtains, it would be a really good mesh of these and some lace curtains. Quilted pattern, or the patchwork pattern. I have a vision, just bear with me, we'll see. But before I put them up, I noticed that, okay, so the cat jumps up here somehow, but I think from the cat being up here so much, she has knocked the weight off of the nail, so I need to add screws right there. Yes, that's the color the house used to be, was that blue color, and I put this gray over it, but honestly this gray and this blue is really no different. So I hope one day I can get the color of this right, but also I'm hoping that these curtains, the color of these curtains being a green, I hope it kind of like brings more of a neutral tone to the gray instead of the blue tone. Who knows? I'm just hoping that, you know, this color curtain helps, but that one's like that too. And the ones on the sides look pretty sturdy. It's just these middle rods, it holds up most of the weight. And I think if we just added longer screws, which I have, it'll be fine. So let's do that. So we're gonna start off with this length. And I'm trusting the people before us, because they left this curtain rod here, and I'm trusting that they knew what they were doing, and they put this on a stud. Ooh. Sort of half of one. Let's try this again. I'm getting my husband. So he is helping. He drove it in a little bit. I was like this far away from the thing, so he drove it in like that much. But he's going to get something else. That's what I'm waiting on right now. But yay for husbands.
Not going to more, they're gonna keep stripping.
What I'm going to do is add lace to the bottom of these.
Why?
so it doesn't look so short. But so far, I guess that's good.